Hi everyone, so today we're building a router table. We've got a Incra tabletop, we've got legs from Axminster, we have one of their router fences which looks an awful lot like a JESM fence. We have a 2.2 kilowatt VFD spindle rather than a router going into a JESM master lift for Incra inserts. This is of particular note because we have the Incra table. The reason why I'm going with the Incra inserts is I like the way they work with the metal plates rather than the plastic bits. And we have a few other bits for dust collection here. So we're gonna get started with the legs. One thing I wanted to note, which I thought was pretty interesting, this is a leg set and it comes with a mitre. I guess people don't really buy these by themselves very often. Okay, so we've got the legs done. Top needs to go on and we need to get the fence on. I think I'm gonna do the fence first because it does have some attachments underneath and it's gonna be a little bit easier to use the legs as a stand for getting the fence on. Table's attached, fence is attached. Well, the fence supports are attached. Now we've got to actually finish the assembly. That's the router table done. We still need to mount the router. That will be a separate video. Please hit subscribe and click the bell to get notified when that goes up. Thank you very much for watching.